Hello kids, welcome back to Play Kids. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of our new Play-Doh kitchen set. Look what we got. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So from what we see so far, it has a spaghetti maker. It has these little, I don't know what they are. It has little macaroni. It has little dish and stuff, and 5 Play-Doh, guys. So let's see. Okay, the first thing that came out is the macaroni maker, right? Look. Alright. And over here we can make different types of vegetables, macaroni, and all that fun stuff. This comes out. Okay, look at that. So we have a little bunny in there also. We'll set this aside. Then we have, let's see, we have this thing. What is this? Oh, it goes on top of the macaroni maker. So it's like you click it over here, I think. Or no, you do it like this. So you go in, and then when you want to make something, you just, so you clip this like this, then open and close, I think. Yeah, we'll see in a bit. Let's see what we have next. We got the little thing to cut up some fancy fun things. Play-Doh, we got this. We can roll the Play-Doh with this to make some dough. We got the little Play-Doh base for our thing, just like that. So if you can see a better visual, it's like, you know, if I could. Got the little spaghetti makers, ravioli, you can call it. More fun designs. I feel like we can put in here and make different things. We got a little tiny little fork. Look at that fork, guys. Tiny little fork. Ooh, we got our soup bowl. We have our soup bowl. You can make stuff in the bottom also. We got our little plate, Play-Doh plate, and more design ideas to make Play-Doh. Let's see what else we got. More of spaghetti makers. Got a little blue knife. Got a knife. Well, look, guys, we have Play-Doh. We got mini Play-Dohs. We got 5 different colors. Look at that. Mini Play-Dohs. Alright kids, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video. Next time we'll come back and play with this and see what kind of stuff and food we can make out of these. See you next time.